So we're all set up. We have this thing strapped right here to this post, and then the other side is strapped to that forerunner, and then we are gonna move the forerunner that way. This one's gonna hold right here, and we're gonna stretch this sucker out, put tension under it, and help us to push the dent out afterwards. All right, let's do this. Let's see what happens. Hopefully the fender doesn't come off and go through the back of that forerunner. I think we're safe though, but we're about to find out. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. All right, what's up guys? Check out this dent in this Honda minivan. It's a Honda minivan? Honda Odysseys. Got this big fender dent right here. I'm gonna talk you through my game plan. Here we go. Big dent through the body line. Boom, body line's right here. Lots of smile.
How you doing?
All right, we're gonna glue ratchet strap here, go to that post. We're gonna glue a ratchet strap here, go to that forerunner. We're gonna stretch this thing out, and then it's gonna help us to push this out pretty easy. This thing is really stiff right now. This thing ain't going anywhere. I even already tried hot water, dry ice, plunger, none of that worked. So this is where we're at. Pret, 91% isopropyl alcohol. So that the straps hold tight and the glue sticks. All right, it's a little bit chilly this morning, so we're gonna get this panel a little bit warmer so that the glue sticks better. All right, so this trap is gonna pull that way. This one right here is gonna pull back that way. Stretching this thing out and allowing for a much cleaner repair. Right now, if I push on this, it's gonna create a huge mess. It's gonna take way longer to get this thing looking good. So let's get this thing going. So we're all set up. We have this thing strapped right here to this post, and then the other side is strapped to that forerunner, and then we are gonna move the forerunner that way. This one's gonna hold right here, and we're gonna stretch this sucker out, put tension under it, and help us to push the dent out afterwards. All right, let's do this. Let's see what happens. Hopefully the fender doesn't come off and go through the back of that forerunner. I think we're safe though, but we're about to find out. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. All right, move forward. All right, go like 1 inch. Stop. All right, so we're under a significant amount of tension right now. The dent's still there. It didn't pull it out, but it's gonna help us to push it out a lot easier from behind. So we're gonna get started with that. All right, we're gonna get this fender liner out of the way. I'm gonna start with this R12B tip from Dentcraft, and I'm gonna heat this thing up, but I can't get it too hot, because if I get it too hot, this glue is gonna release. So I gotta keep it a medium temperature. Man, I'm knocking this thing down, and boy, this sucker locked up tighter than my cousin Mookie after a night on the town, boy. Man, I'm hitting this thing, and I can just hear it's a crazy sound. I'm gonna try to record it, but it's like a reverberating sound because this thing is under so much tension. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna work on this bottom edge for a minute. All right, we're at the point where we're gonna take these straps off, release the tension, and then dial this thing in. Let me show you what it looks like at this point. So the overall shape is there. Just got quite a bit of texture. Got some low down here. Lots of stuff going on that we're gonna dial in once we take these straps off. Time to get these things off. What I'm gonna do is heat up the panel with the torch to loosen up the glue. Then I'm gonna use 91% alcohol as a release agent. They're gonna come right off.
Hitting the panel, when you're going behind a brace or something, versus just hitting the tool, hit the panel itself, and then go in there. And then that.
All right, straps are off, tension's off. This is what it looks like. Real sparkly. We're gonna dial all that in. I'm gonna start with working it from the top. I'm gonna use this Dent Slayer, OG Dent Slayer, right in here. Boom. Just doing texture work. Just making that thing smooth. All right, let me show you all how this thing turned out. Man, that thing kicked my butt. Not perfect, but customers pumped and looking pretty good. And if I do say so, she's smooth, boy. She's smooth. She's smooth, boy. She's smooth. You can see the little scratches that are still here to show that I did not paint this. All right, guys, all done with this thing. See you next time.